Hey guys, it's Sean again from RecPro.com. Today I want to talk about the 67-inch theater seating combo in our Charles line. Now what you get with the 67-inch is you get a left and a right arm recliner, all with the choices of colors of chestnut, rich mahogany, putty, and toffee, the same sumptuous Suprema leather, but in the 67-inch you get the 9-inch console that has the 2 cup holders and a very generous storage space underneath an armrest. This is a really good step up from the 58-inch if you have a little bit extra room in your RV or in your apartment or house. Call our customer care associates today if 67-inch is going to fit what you need. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe below. Or please.